Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. I hope you are watching the recent videos which I have been putting specially for my 6th, 7th, 8th class students who are struggling in the basics, and that's why I'm giving detailed videos of all the concepts. So watch them in series. I'm going to guarantee you that these are going to benefit you a great deal in your preparation for school exams. And if you are preparing for quant exams, the professional exams like SSC, CGL, railways, banking, CAT, MAT, IMO, even the Olympiads, all these make use of these basic topics. So in this video, I am going to take up the basics of expressions chapter, and I am especially focusing on addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. A very important video if you want to excel in algebra and all the future topics of algebra, because algebra only starts, it never ends, and therefore you need to be really good in the basics. Okay, so I have a very good news for all my students who are studying in class 6th to class 10th. So what have I brought up? I have bifurcated the entire syllabus, the CBSE syllabus of class 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 mathematics into different concepts, and I have made separate worksheets containing 60 questions of a single concept, and that provides you a huge reservoir of questions. And I'm sure these questions are going to go a long way in your preparation, and you're going to feel very comfortable in every concept you work on. So friends, this time we are giving the best offers on these CBSE practice worksheets, unlimited validity worksheets, so you can keep them forever, and I hope everybody purchases this, and even we are giving the concept wise videos also for class 6th and 7th. We have already given the videos. This is class 8th video, so everything is there in our channel. You just need to send me a message 9896369963. That's my WhatsApp number, and I'll tell you how to get a copy of the CBSE worksheets. Okay, right, let's move on and get to our topic. So you can see the watermark here. The watermark is because all these questions are also from the worksheets which I am talking about. Okay, right. Monomials, binomials, trinomials. Mono means 1, bi means 2, binomial means 2, and tri means 3. So it has to do something with the number of terms, right? An expression contains terms, and these terms are always separated by a plus or a minus sign, right? Always remember, the terms are always separated by a plus or a minus sign. So when I see this first one, x minus z, this is the first term, and since now I have a minus sign here, this is the second term, so the minus goes with z. So x is the first term, minus z is the second term. Therefore this expression contains two terms, and two terms means a binomial. I am writing bi. Binomial means just a short form, just to save time, bi. Okay, binomial. Now let's see the next one, x plus y plus z. Now if you have understood this is very easy. First term, now I got a plus. So second term, now I got a plus. So third term. So I have three terms here, and therefore this is a trinomial. Trinomial. Okay. Likewise, let's see 20. Oh, 20. Just 20. 20 means it's a single term. There is no plus or minus sign separating 2 and 0 or any other term, right? And therefore it's one term, and one term means a monomial. Monomial. Okay. Likewise, AC minus BD 1 and 2. Two terms. So it's a binomial. 1, 2, 3. So it's a trinomial, and one term monomial. So I hope you are now understanding what are terms and how do you identify the number of terms in an expression. Very easy, right? One term, two term, three term, monomial, binomial, trinomial. Right. Let's move on to the next concept. Add or subtract as indicated. So there are brackets in the question, and we need to add or subtract whatever is indicated in the question. Okay. So what am I going to do here is, I'll first try and get rid of the brackets. And since the two brackets contain a minus sign, now this is the cause of errors, and so many of the students commit errors when they ignore this negative sign. What happens when you remove the brackets? The first bracket is not going to get affected, it is going to be the same. What happens in the second bracket is the minus sign goes with all the terms inside the bracket, and therefore the sign of all the terms inside the bracket changes. Please remember that. Don't make that mistake in your life. When you do algebra, the minus sign outside the bracket, when you remove the bracket, every term inside the bracket changes sign. So s square becomes minus s square, minus 3s becomes plus 3s, and minus 5 becomes plus 5. And now it's all about like terms, like terms, like terms. So you can see 6s square, and this term minus s square is a like term because both of them contain s square. Here we have plus 3s and here we have plus 3s. They are like terms, so I am writing them together. Here we have plus 1 and here you have plus 5. I have just shuffled the terms and I have written like terms together because only the like terms can be added or subtracted. Okay, so 6s square minus s square is 5s square, 3s plus 3s is 6s, and 1 plus 5 is 6, which gives us the simplified version of this particular question. Okay, so what is the concept involved? How to open the brackets, how to group the like terms, and how to add or subtract the like terms. Okay, the unlike terms cannot be added or subtracted. Let's see some more questions. Another one. He has written add. Add means plus. So whenever you have plus, you don't need to worry about the sign. Open the first bracket, plus, open the second bracket without any change. No problems there. Okay. Now it's all about grouping the terms. Minus 12m cube has to be grouped with plus 6m cube because they are like terms. M cube, right? Minus 8m square is to be grouped with plus 9m square. Again m square. And minus 7, oh, I think there is one more term here, minus m. That's the lone term. There is no other term which contains only m, and therefore I have to write m also. And then there is a constant minus 7. That's also alone. There is no other number in the question. So these two terms are not going to make a difference now. They will remain in the answer also. Here, minus 12 plus 6 is minus 6 m cube. Minus 8 plus 9 is plus 1, right? So plus 1 m square. When the coefficient is 1, I don't need to write 1. That's understood. And then minus m minus 7 as it is. Okay? And now I can't do anything with this because all these terms which I have obtained are unlike terms, and unlike terms cannot be added or subtracted. So this is the answer. Here we have another one, subtract. Now this question is a DIY question. I am not going to do it for you because I told you in the second question that whenever you have brackets separated by a minus sign, you have to do something special, right? Always remember that. Okay, so this question, the simplification of this question, I am leaving to you as a DIY. Do it yourself and post your answers in the comments below. I am writing your comment. Okay, and let me see who gets the correct answer in the first attempt. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Oh my god, so many brackets and so many plus and minus signs between the brackets. Simplify. Okay, so being careful is what is required here. It's not a difficult problem. It requires focus. It requires care. Okay, so let's remove the bracket. The first bracket, minus 6 v power 4 plus 5 v power 3 minus v square minus 7v. I have a negative sign and a big bracket there. So what do I have to do? I have to change signs. Minus 7v plus 7v cube minus v square plus 2v4. See, I changed all the signs. Now I have a minus sign and again a bracket. So I have to change the sign again, right? minus 5v and minus 2v cube. See, smartness, right? Don't make the mistake. I'm reminding you again and again, if brackets are preceded by a negative sign, change all the signs while opening the bracket, okay? Let's see now what to do. Let's see the highest degree term, v power 4 and 2v power 4. Okay, I'll put them minus 6v4 and plus 2v4. No more terms containing v4. Now v cube plus 5v cube and then plus 7v cube minus 2v cube. So there are 3 terms containing v cube. Next is v square. So where is v square? Minus v square again, and no more terms containing v square. And now the terms which contain v. Where is v? Minus 7v, 2 terms. Right? And anything else? Yes, minus 5v. And now the constant. Constant. Oh, there is no constant in the question. Right? So, saves me with, at least 5 seconds. Right? Let's group the like terms. These two are like terms. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. So, v power 4. These 3 are like terms. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. So, plus 10 v cube. These 2 are like terms. Minus 1 is minus 2. So, minus 2v square. These 2 are like terms. Minus 7 is minus 14. So, v. And then, oh, there is another one. Minus 14. This actually goes till here. So, minus 14 minus 5 is minus 19. So, let's rectify this. Minus 19v. And that gives me my answer, because I can't do anything with that, because they are all unlike terms now. Okay. Let's see the last one. Identify the like terms from these and find their sum. So, we have to do two things. Okay. So, 4x square. Is there a like term with 4x square? There is nothing, no other term containing x square. Okay, so this is rejected. Let's see this minus x cube. Is there any term containing x cube? Oh no, so rejected. There is no like term. 5 by 2 is a constant term. Is there any other constant term which does not contain the variable? No. So rejected. And let's now look at the other ones. 7x minus 9x and 3 by 2x. Wow. All 3 of them contain x, and therefore these 3 are like terms. So we have identified the like terms now containing the same variable. All we need to do is to find their sum. The sum will be when you add 7x, add minus 9x and add 3 by 2x. Right? So 7x plus minus 9x plus 3 by 2x gives me what? 7x minus 9x is minus 2x and plus 3 by 2x. So what is minus 2 plus 3 by 2? It is 2 LCM minus 4 plus 3, which is minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2x. That is the sum of the 3 like terms which are given in this set of terms. Isn't that easy, friends? A lot of things become so easy when you learn the basics correctly, right? And very few teachers teach you the basics correctly, and that's what creates the source of error. That's what creates panic in so many of the students. So friends, learn these basic things, and I'm sure these are going to go a long way in your preparation for your exams. So do share this video with all your friends who are struggling in such concepts. Do subscribe the channel and click the bell-shaped icon for getting the notifications of all the future uploads. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying all the videos which I am posting for clearing the basics of these important topics. Do watch my next video also. All the best.